Assalamu alaikum, Nazar Chauhan once again from Fords, New Jersey, picking up from where I left yesterday, my case against the world of Islam. I got a call today from one very important person in USA, and he said, Nazar Chauhan, since when you started working with Biden? I said, I never worked with anyone. Yes, Trump I like, really, but I never worked with anyone. And he said that Biden blasted Pakistan on their atomic nuclear capability, and they said Pakistan is a very dangerous country, and Pakistan, maybe terrorists take control of it. In fact, right from day one, I told you I am a pacifist person. I am against gun owning. I am against any nuclear power. Holland doesn't have. Japan doesn't have. Okay? And even Israel doesn't have. Okay? They have nuclear capability. No need. No need. And they say Pakistan is intact. Today I was listening to some top Pakistani anchor saying this. Shirin Mazari from Pakistan, a very brave lady, she has blasted Trump, really. And she said, mind your own business. The real nuclear weapons are with USA, and this is very sad, and what they did in Japan and all that. Another incident today, I quote, yesterday, 2 days back, Mary Campbell, a SAP manager from London, a St. Andrews University graduate, and maybe she's in faculty also in UK. What a class she is. She wrote that about a Palestinian doctor killed outside the hospital that day, 2 days back, Abdullah. He was killed, and she said that silence is complicity. It is very sad, she said. She said that we do not speak about Israel. We accuses Russia. We support Israel. And she said, whatever may happen in my faculty and in my diaspora here, in my job, I will speak the truth. Today she carried an interesting, news about Elon Musk. Elon Musk is one of my favorite, even more than Trump. I love this man, really. He has that spiritual element in him, really, after Steve Jobs. So Elon Musk, she defended, and she said, what a man Elon Musk is. Like 2 days back, ambassador of the Ukraine said that fuck off to Elon Musk when he said that Starlink, his satellite, will no more give free internet services to Ukraine. Somebody must pay. I do not support the war in Ukraine. Elon Musk said, which I am saying from day one that it's very bad. So things have interestingly are developing, coming to such a situation where nobody is Muslim, where nobody is Christian, where nobody is Democrat, where nobody is Republican, back to human element, a cry for humanity. Okay? No labels, no wearing on the sleeves, no superiority at all. Coming back to the topic, why Islam lost and why they couldn't succeed. The biggest thing I told you yesterday is lack of character, lust for greed and power. You see, what they say is, okay, unite against your enemy. No. In spirituality, we say we are interconnected. We are not interdependent. No country, no human is interdependent on anyone. Bhutan, take an example of a small country, Bhutan. Oh, such a small country in a British Empire also. Nobody knew. It was considered as a punishment. A lady who studied from Harvard took over. And what he has transformed Bhutan into, what a society. $200 per day she has imposed as a tourist charge for whoever visit Bhutan for tourism is have to pay $200 per day to replenish for the damage they have caused by coming over to Bhutan. And she said, what is GDP, gross domestic product? What is this? We will have gross national happiness, GNH. We will have indicator gross national happiness. Which of the Muslim country has this? Qatar, Sheikh of Qatar, slept with our Prime Minister's daughter, okay? And he had everything from Pakistan. These cheaters, these monarchs, these rascals, these Arab states, no one in the world of Islam, I tell you, after Muhammad, peace be upon him, you can count on fingers. Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz, not Umar bin Khattab, Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. What a class, exact model of Muhammad, peace be upon him. Then in the recent past, you can, yes, speak about Imam Khomeini, what a simple lifestyle he had. And a person living here, Mustafa Gulen from Fateh Muhammad Gulen living in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania, a few miles away, 60 miles away from this place. Yes, if he is brought to Turkey, he can change. Yes. Issue is why Imran Khan couldn't change in his 3.5 years. First, you have to bring this on yourself with your character, with your conduct, and then you spread the message. Please, anyone in the Islamic world, tell me whether Muhammad, peace be upon him, ever had cult or influence. Ever had. He never had. He had following for guidance. He told that I got access to that spiritual excellence. This is Quran, this is God, this is what he say, Allahu Nuru Samawati wal Ard. You see? And time and again, Quran said that Uswa Hasana, like follow his life. Nobody bothered to follow him. We are not Muslims at all. We look what we are pitched against. We are pitched against are not USA, not Russia, not China, not a gangster in our mahalla. We are pitched against Satan. Who is Satan? Satan is Nafse Ammara, Tamerlan says. Satan resides inside us. Inside us. We are fighting against them. Fault is of Zakir Naik. Fault is of Gandhi. They all tried to glorify Islam. There is no such thing as glorification of any religion. Anybody, religion inclination is at best accident of birth. And the best use of religion could have been following the path for spiritual domain. For spiritual domain. And Buddhists, I think, succeeded maximum. Did Buddhists have a nuclear bomb? No, not at all. Do Buddhists pick up arms? Are there terrorist groups in Buddhists? Islam means peace. And what are you doing? Lust. We lost Ghazwa-e Khandak because lust for Male Ganimat. So we must look into ourselves, you see. What is wrong with us? Character. We have lost character. What has happened to Muslim people in the Congress? Can't they speak to Biden and tell him what Israel is doing? They accuse, Trump took the embassy to Jerusalem. That hardly matters. Who is responsible for killing the Palestinian doctor 2 days back? And my one of my friends, like my sons in the Islamic Relief Group, which we went, is a Palestinian living in Chicago, and maybe a second generation. Did he participate in any movement for these rights or for these activities? None, actually. These are all materialistic lust, actually, which has destroyed us all. And this is very sad indeed, let me tell you. So my biggest case against Islam is that in the Islamic world, neither the leaders nor the Awam, the people, showed the conduct and character which Muhammad, peace be upon him, had, and which he in Uswa-e Hasana said that this is the right path. They say, Sirat-e Mustaqim. What is Sirat-e Mustaqim? Is Sirat-e Mustaqim glorification of Islam? Doing all bad things? Who is there to respond to Biden's this statement, which has put fire in the world that Pakistan is a dangerous state and nuclear weapons in the hands of Pakistan is very dangerous for the whole world? So I'll continue this series. I think I should keep it in within 10 minutes. See you tomorrow. Allah Hafiz.